Hi, my name is Abigail Lobato, and today I will be presenting curriculum design models for our organization. I am currently attending Grand Canyon University for my master's in curriculum and instruction. Now, first I'm going to talk about the product versus process model. The product model of curriculum leads to some kind of desirable end product. The product model does not depend on developing skills over time. Learners are taught a mastery of specific skills and certain facts of information. In the process model, emphasis is on learning acquired from experience and through work and life. The process model depends on developing skills through revision of work and supporting learner needs. Now, with that, I would propose the process model for curriculum design. The process model focuses on students being the meaning maker of their learning. It is centered around student experiences, critical thinking, and development of deeper understanding through inquiry and interaction with peers and their teachers. Now, the components of the process model, first is learner-focused approach. It needs to adapt to the needs and interest and prior knowledge of students. The learning needs to be relevant and meaningful so that way new knowledge can be connected to previous knowledge. There needs to be an active participation of learners. Students are actively involved in their learning process, and there needs to be a use of collaborative and hands-on activities. Along with this, reflective learning is important. There needs to be a continuous assessment of understanding, along with reflection and self-assessment by students and teachers. The teacher does guide learning as a facilitator. Teachers guide, support, and adapt instruction based on the needs of students rather than delivering predetermined targets and moving on. Now, applying this model to our curriculum design, first, we would be adapting to students' need. In our curriculum, lessons would be designed to adapt to the individual learning needs of students. There will be a focus on creating student-centered classrooms where inquiry, discussion, and collaboration are emphasized. It would be engaging learning environments through project-based learning and collaborative activities. Flexible lesson plans would be implemented to allow room for exploration, student-driven inquiry, and adaptation to the needs of students. Along with the continuous reflection of learning, teachers will implement formative assessments to gather feedback on learning progress, along with students will regularly reflect on their assessments to determine their own learning and growth. Now, I would propose 3 theories within this model, which are cognitivism, constructivism, and socioculturalism. Now, cognitivism, it works to connect existing knowledge to new information so that it can be transferred from short-term to long-term memory. It encourages deeper understanding on how students process information, allowing teachers to design lessons that align with the cognitive development of learners. With constructivism, learners build knowledge through their experiences and their learning, along with the reflection of those experiences. It correlates with the hands-on, inquiry-based approaches within the process model. Last, socioculturalism. Social and cultural interactions are what shape individual development. The world influences our actions, tools, and ways of thinking over time. Along with this, within learning, students do need someone that is more knowledgeable than them, that is the teacher, to really facilitate learning through scaffolding, use of language to think out loud, and hopefully build that inner dialogue within learners. With that, the process model does offer a flexible, student-centered approach to curriculum design that focuses on the process of how students learn. This model fits within our organization's goal of fostering deeper learning and critical thinking and collaboration with peers. The process model should be adapted to promote the learning of all students and curriculum designs that are meaningful for teachers and students. Thank you very much for your time today.